You asked, how to divide 17,160 by 66 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 17 is too small. Use 171. 171 divided by 66 equals 2. 2 times 66 equals 132. 171 minus 132 equals 39. Bring down 6, making 396. 396 divided by 66 equals 6. 6 times 66 equals 396. 396 minus 396 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 66 equals 0. 0 times 66 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 260.